Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another detailed Goddess Locs tutorial. This is beginner friendly and I'm showing you guys everything I use for this hairstyle. So the first thing you're going to need is your go-go curl hair from the Futurist or any other brand, and also your Mali hair. Everything listed will be in the description box down below. So the first thing you want to do is to part the hair according to the desired size that your client wants. You also want to apply your shine and jam for a defined and a neater look. So after applying the shine and jam, you want to make sure you're parting the hair one more time, and you can actually tell the difference that it gives it more detailed look. The next thing you want to do is to comb your product into the hair. That way you're making sure all the product is getting into the hair. That way the hair is moisturized. For this look, she's getting like a medium size goddess braids. So I'm just cutting it to fit the one I have done before, so it's all looking the same. And you want to start by using the curly hair to do the braid first, and you're going to wrap it with the Mali hair. So when you're done braiding, next thing you want to do is to take your crochet needle, insert it into the braid, and use your hook to pull through the Mali hair. That way you're making sure the Mali hair is more secured to the roots, and you want to wrap it to about 3 to 4 times before wrapping all the way down. And in order to wrap faster, as you can see, I'm left-handed. You want to make sure you're wrapping to the other side of your body. So if you're right-handed, you want to make sure you're wrapping to the left side of your body. When you're done wrapping, the next thing you want to do is to take your lighter and just trim the frizzy hair that is kind of sticking out of the braids, so it's more neater and more natural looking. So in order to make it as long as I want, to the length she wants, like a butt length, just gonna add more pieces of hair. So I'm using 2 pieces of hair for the roots and for the bottom, just so it's not looking too skinny at the ends. So you're just gonna keep wrapping all the way down, and then you're gonna repeat the same process to trim it with a lighter or a scissors, whichever one is easy for you, but I prefer the lighter because it's just faster and it's get the job done more easily. Also, one of the things to remember when doing lock is to moisturize as much as you can, especially for clients with like a natural hair type. The Mali hair can easily get dried, and it's just not easy for the moisturizer to get into the hair after wrapping the hair. So you want to make sure you moisturize it as much as you can before wrapping the hair. That's why I recommend the Shine and Jam, and also any oil. You can use the coconut oil or a Jamaican black castor oil, whichever one you prefer, just so the hair is protected when it's inside the locks, because this is supposed to be protective style. So you want to make sure you're moisturizing as much as you can before wrapping the hair. As you can tell, our natural hair is looking very moisturized. It may look like something I don't want to mention, but trust me, it's very important to moisturize the hair before wrapping it. tapping, you're just going to trim the curly ends to make sure it's all the same length. So it's looking all equal. And you're going to apply your mousse just to tackle the frizzy hair that is showing and to make it look calm, to make it look more calm. So don't be stingy with the mousse. Just apply as much as it's needed to the hair. You also want to apply it to the ends of the curls, and I also recommend clients applying the mousse once in a while to reduce frizziness. You can also spray some Got2b and blow dry the hair. Moisturize with some all sheen or any type of hair that you like, and you can style as desired. Lay them baby hairs with edge control or whichever product that you use. And that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you guys find this detailed enough. I hope it was helpful. If you like this tutorial, please don't forget to click the like, share, and subscribe button. Also, please follow me on Instagram and Facebook at sooooo112, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the finish look.